Sorry. Sorry guys, I can't solve that. So Roblox remove chat bot and we can't talk to you guys if cause chat is gone. Chat is gone now. We can't chat or talk. But if you can join me in Brookhaven have a sign. If you check in the inventory and don't play a different game. Chat! We can't chat, bro.
Guys, when we join any game, when you like do jump, do like jump.
Jump means high.
High. When you don't get the high, if you don't get the high emote, okay? And when doing this is you're happy like this, right? Can we do that in Roblox?
That isn't an emote.
Oh. What emote?
If they don't have Roblox,
How about doing this?
bro, that's not an emote.
Di mo na emote. Walk and buy. And when this a person AFK, do not do
you're
that.
You're not sus.
I'm just telling them to do not do that.
Okay.
Then secondly, do not fucking do that.
Don't be sus.
Okay? Or else we're gonna burn you. And
What the fuck?
when you guys play the find the dance emotes. Find the game that find the dance.
No, you need to play Brookhaven
No,
because
wait.
it
I'm
has
just
a
telling-
sign.
I'm just telling them a game. Join to find the dance. When you do the cat, then that means you're happy. When you do the I wanna run away.
But wait here.
I love the run away.
Proving that Bubbles is gone. Look. She isn't here, bro. Not there. Not there. Not even here.